Another thing that I want to share with you guys is this wee little adapter I made. It uses a piece of pipe that internal diameter is the same size as the outside of the lead screws in the milling machine. I have notched this with the milling machine to engage with the jaws on where the handles used to engage. On the other end I've just pressed a socket into there of an appropriate diameter, and then so that leaves the 1/4 inch drive square there. Then on the drill I just used a hex to 1/4 inch square drive adapter. By doing that I'm able to use the battery drill as a auto feed. It's very, very effective. By doing so, it does give me the ability to come up with quite a decent finish. You're able to feed a lot more consistent speed than you would be able to if you were feeding it by hand. I've got a lot of use out of this, and I can really recommend this as quite a simple little thing to make. I'm sure if you don't have an auto feed for your mill, you get a lot of use out of this. Thanks.